This is how to be remembered forever on Facebook. I'm the CyberGuy, and when a loved one passes away, their Facebook account and all the memories that come along with it, like photos, other posts, may eventually become deleted due to inactivity. Well, thanks to our viewer, Michael, for writing in about this important topic. If you haven't already done this, be sure to set up a legacy account for yours and any older loved ones that you have in your life that have Facebook accounts. Adding a legacy account means you're appointing someone else to look after your Facebook profile from their own account if you were to pass away. Not that it's going to happen anytime soon, I'm just saying. This allows them to write a pinned message giving service information, lets them decide who can post tributes on your page, and it lets them delete any posts and remove tags of things that someone else has posted. They can remove your account entirely if that's what you wanted them to do. They can update your profile picture, cover photo, download what you've previously shared to Facebook, and more. To add a legacy contact on Facebook on a computer, here's what you do. Tap your profile icon on the top right, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings, and then next to Memorialization Settings, tap Edit. You'll see an option for Legacy Contact, and here you can select which of your Facebook friends you'd like to control your profile. You can adjust those settings via the Facebook app by tapping Menu, tapping the Settings gear, and tapping Personal and Account Information, then tap Account Ownership and Control, then tap Memorialization Settings, and then you can follow the prompts to select a trusted Facebook friend as your legacy contact. If someone you know passed away and didn't set up a legacy contact, as far as you know, you can request Facebook to memorialize or remove an account on their website. You'll provide their Facebook profile URL link, provide the exact day they passed away, and you provide a scan or photo of an obituary or death certificate, memorial card, or some other documentation confirming that they passed away. Then provide your email, and Facebook will address your request. To find out how to log into someone else's computer or phone after they passed away to retrieve things like photos, memories that are there, other important information you don't want to lose, head to cyberguy.com and search Unlock when owner passes away. While you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.